You guys, in case your reliable supply channel. So today we are going to check one of our factory partners. So we place the order soon. We place our order of big machine, big truck. So we are going to double check that. So stay tuned. We are currently in Shanghai. So we are going there right now. Let's go together.
Today we are carrying out a full inspection on our client's truck-mounted water well drilling rig before shipping it out to Somalia. At Easy Trade Africa, we always make sure every machine is tested and in perfect working condition before loading. Our team checks the engine, hydraulic system, drilling functions, and overall performance to ensure the rig is ready for immediate use upon arrival.
Hey, shout it!
We do inspection before shipping, guarantee of full functionality, peace of mind for our client. This machine is not just equipment, it's a solution that will help provide clean and sustainable water for communities in Somalia. With every project we keep our promise: quality machine, professional inspection, and trusted delivery. Easy Trade Africa, your reliable supplier in China.
𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 𝐘𝐨𝐮 𝐅𝐨𝐫